You are welcome to Vedic TV, where you get information based on fact. I can't be prosecuted before a shrine in place of a court. Nnamdi Kanu slam Justice Nyako. Yes, Nnamdi Kanu have said what he feels that is right, and that which he feels that is right is exactly what should be considered. I greet everybody out there listening to me through this very channel. It's been wonderful having you here. Nnamdi Kanu called the Abuja court a shrine. Yes, so you see, Nnamdi Kanu knows what he is saying. He knows what he's saying. And what he's saying, if you give it a proper look, you will see that there is an atom of truth in it. Each time they come to that very court, it is either one lie or the other, or one reason for denying him to deny him freedom will come up. That is to tell you there is a way they manufacture lie, they manufacture lies, and there is a way they manufacture their ideas that help them to maneuver the freedom which is supposed to be granted to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. So in this case, Nnamdi Kanu is saying that okay, if that be the case, I refuse to be tried in your shrine. Let us proceed to the southeast. All right, my people. The detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has caused a very serious scene before the court, as he insisted that he will not be prosecuted before a shrine, which is taken in place of a court. Nnamdi Kanu, who is facing a 7-count treasonable felony charge, the federal government preferred against him, forced the court to adjourn his trial. The leader spoke from the dock on a day that was fixed for federal government to open its case against him. Trouble started after the prosecution counsel, Chief Adegboyega Awomolo San, informed the court that he had filed and served all the necessary processes on Kanu legal team, preparatory to the commencement of full-blown hearing of the matter. However, Kanu's lawyer, Mr. Aloy Ejimako, drew the attention of the court to his client's contentions that the trial judge, Justice Binta Nyako, was no longer fit to preside over the case. However, Kanu's lawyer, Mr. Aloy Ejimako, drew the attentions of the court to his client's contention that the trial judge, Justice Binta Nyako, was no longer fit. Ejimako noted that Justice Nyako had, in a ruling she delivered on November, recused herself from the trial. For this reason, Nnamdi Kanu has pleaded that Justice Nyako will remain recused and should not be allowed to try him. He has said that the court in Abuja is a shrine and not a court, so the trial should be moved to the southeast. Yes. You see, if una no handle them like this, they go think say na only them sabi make law. You see, it's not only if you look at it very well, you see that some of the laws that they are making in Nigeria, some of them are not um, a true law. Some of them are deceitful laws. Some of them are lying laws. Laws they make to favor themselves. You understand? And that is why Nnamdi Kanu is challenging them to the highest level. I am not going to blame Nnamdi Kanu on this, because I know that the action the IPOP leader is taking is a very, very welcomed one, and there is no stain on it at all. If the federal government really knows that yes, that they are truly ready for business, just as they claim by opening the case again, then let them just do as requested and drag this very case to to the southeast. At least let them have a new court to hear this very matter. Then we shall know if Nnamdi Kanu actually is trying to say the truth or not. Let me quickly hear from you from the outside, dear listeners, and then let's know what your take about this actually is. It is a pleasure. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe buttons as well as bell buttons to receive more updates. Thank you.